Have you seen this type of channel? This channel has only uploaded around 50 videos and it got millions of subscribers so quickly. It's very wonderful and surprising. Also, if you look carefully, every short is getting millions of views, which is unbelievable and truly impressive. The best part is that these channels grow so fast with such little content. Is it difficult to create this type of video? My answer is no, because nowadays AI is so powerful and advanced. Creating these types of short videos again and again takes a maximum of 2 minutes. With AI tools, you can easily generate high-quality, engaging videos without spending too much time or effort. I always help new YouTubers by showing them how to make money from YouTube by creating channels like this and choosing this type of niche. It's amazing because this strategy works and many people are getting success with it. You don't need expensive equipment or professional editing skills, just creativity and the right AI tools. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel and grow fast. You can easily build a channel that attracts millions of viewers by consistently uploading unique and interesting shorts. First, please subscribe to my channel for more updates, valuable tips, and guidance on how to succeed on YouTube using this amazing strategy. Alright, here's a much longer and detailed version while keeping your original wording style. First, take a screenshot of this type of video and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, ask ChatGPT to create a similar prompt because you want to make a short video. Now, you see the result? ChatGPT provides you with an amazing prompt that is so much effective and creative. It's amazing how AI can help you generate high-quality prompts in just seconds. Copy this prompt and come to Canva. Nowadays, Canva has so many AI video making options and it's evolving fast. Click on Video and select the video size you want, especially YouTube short size if you are making short videos. Adjust your video clip size to the maximum as you want. Now, go to the Magic Media section and you will see a beautiful interface. In this interface, you will find 3 options: Image, Graphics, and Video. First, let's try the image option. Just paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and click on Generate. Now, just wait a moment. This Magic Media feature in Canva is amazing because it generates stunning AI pictures that are very effective for your content. Canva is now offering such powerful AI features that were unimaginable before. When you generate the image, Canva will provide you with 4 different pictures to choose from. You can select any one of them based on your demand or requirement. If you want any changes to the picture, you can simply adjust it or generate a new one. Canva's AI is so advanced that it keeps improving with every update. This feature is amazing for creating thumbnails, unique backgrounds, or even characters for your short videos. Now let's try the AI video option, which is even more impressive. Click on Video, paste the prompt, and just wait for a moment. Canva recently added this feature in the Magic Media AI video option, and it's absolutely stunning. With just one prompt, it creates high-quality AI videos that are perfect for YouTube Shorts or any other platform. Now, to unlock the best features, you should consider purchasing the Pro version of Canva, which is not too much price. As you can see, it creates a beautiful AI video according to the prompt you provided. Adjust the video to fit the background size properly and check it clearly. If it looks okay, you can move on to the next step. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy another prompt. Paste it again into Canva and repeat the process. This feature is amazing nowadays, but many people are not educated about it. It's one of the best and most efficient methods for creating short videos quickly. It's like having a personal video editor available anytime. Magic Media generates 4-second animated videos that are perfect for short content. The quality is great, and the creativity is beyond expectations. You must try it and see how powerful this tool is. Watch my video till the end because it's very useful for new YouTubers who want to grow fast. As you can see, it's generating unique and stunning videos from every prompt. And the best part is, you don't need any expensive editing software. Just use Canva, which offers all the tools you need. You can easily add transitions, text, background music, and everything else you need to make your video look professional. Now, it's time to generate audio for your video. Go to Canva's audio section and search for audio suitable for your video content. Just click on the audio you like and adjust its size to fit your video perfectly. You can also add transitions to make your video even more impressive. After you have added everything and are satisfied with the results, you can export the video in HD. Canva allows you to download high-quality videos that are ready to be uploaded directly to YouTube or other platforms. This feature is perfect for making creative and engaging short videos without spending hours editing. Many people are using AI websites to first generate pictures and then generate videos, but most of these websites are paid. No one gives you a free offer to generate maximum videos. Websites like Pixelman and Leonardo AI are amazing for generating HD quality AI pictures, but they take credits and you have to pay for them. Similarly, if you want to generate AI videos for free, it's quite difficult because most AI tools require payment. Many people choose paid options like Kyling AI or Runway ML, which are considered the best for generating AI videos. But again, all these options are paid, and they can be expensive for beginners. That's why Canva's Magic Media feature is so amazing. It provides you with incredible AI tools for generating videos, images, and graphics all in one place. This makes it so convenient and cost-effective, especially for new YouTubers who want to grow their channels quickly and without spending too much money. I always help new YouTubers by showing them how to make money from YouTube by creating channels like this and choosing this type of niche. It's amazing because this strategy works and many people are getting success with it. You don't need expensive equipment or professional editing skills, just creativity and the right AI tools. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to start a YouTube channel and grow fast. You can easily build a channel that attracts millions of viewers by consistently uploading unique and interesting shorts. First, please subscribe to my channel for more updates, valuable tips, and guidance on how to succeed on YouTube using this amazing strategy. Hope you like my video. Thank you and goodbye.